Assalamu alaikum, my Sone customer. Thank you so much for trusted me. Our new metro city Gujar Khan giving possession of early bird block. If you have plot in this block and you wanna build your dream home in this block, please contact us. My company is giving you first class, sustainable convenience to life, such as financial advisor, civil engineering service, construction and builders, and we deals in plots, houses and high-rise buildings, and we are offering lump sum payment and installment option too. Which building you wanna construct from us, we will provide you maintenance service for 1.5 years free of cost at everything. Once again, thank you so much, my beloved customer. Thank you.